tried vegan corn chowder soup? Silky and just delicious? Well, if you have not tried, you're at the right place. Welcome to my channel. My name is Dr. Cooper Dockery, where I believe that food is medicine. So today I'm going to give you a recipe to use for the best and most delicious vegan corn chowder soup today. I'm going to start first of all with my onion. I'm going to chop my onion. Now this onion here, this is from the Allison group. Onions are really good for the immune system. So I do cook with a lot of onions. Now the way you chop your onion is really up to you. You just have to be very careful that your fingers are not involved. So let's peel this onion. Then I'm gonna dice the onion. I'm using one onion. Ensure that your fingers are not there. Okay, so we dice. Now, if I were a chef, it would have been a little easier. I'm not a chef. All right, so now I'm going to work on my bell pepper. The bell pepper, they're rich in beta-carotenoid, lots of vitamin A, even vitamin C. And these are really fantastic for overall health, not only skin and eye, but also for cancer, to prevent cancer. Very simple. Okay, let's do this one first here. I'm just dicing everything together. Alright, the pepper is done. Alright, I need to add just about a tablespoon of oil here to the pot. You don't want more oil because oil is an inflammatory food. We need to stay away from that. And then you're going to allow the pot to heat somewhat, and then we're going to add in our vegetables. All right, so we added the onion, and you want to saute until translucent. Okay. All right, now for the bell pepper. Then I'm going to add the garlic. Then I'm going to add my cauliflower. Right? Adding some garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, Mrs. Dash, and salt to taste. I'm going to stir up. Now I'm adding 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. Here you're going to get your vitamin B complex, as well as a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons of all-purpose seasoning. We're going to stir this in, and I think we're almost ready to complete this recipe. So now I think my soup is ready to be blended. Let's take a look. Looking delicious. Now it's time for my immersion blender. We're gonna make this thing silky and delicious. All right, let's see how this works. Have some chunks in there. You're going to take some of it before it's all blended out, and you're going to keep this and add this back into it after you've completely blended. So I'm just taking a small amount out, then I'm going to add it back into it. All right, I'm going to continue to blend. This is our soup. You can see how creamy it is. Very delicious. Now if you like it creamy like this, you could leave it like that, or if you want some chunks, I had removed some chunky, so now I'm going to pour about the chunky in it, and then we're going to mix it together. there. You see the chunky in the middle? Mix together here. And now be careful, it will burn, okay? It's hot. And now we're ready to serve. So I'm gonna serve myself some. All right. Cream. We're topping it off with some green herbs, whatever you like to put on, cilantro, whatever you like. I think you're ready to go. Delicious. Vegan corn. Okay. There we go. Hold on.